The legal side of adult hosting. Websites with adult content are top-rated on the internet, and they can be a very lucrative proposition as a fee-based membership site. But they come with some genuine risks that could put you on the wrong side of the law in a heartbeat. Each locality, on a global scale, has its laws about adult web hosting and obscenity. Your internet adult site could run into trouble almost anywhere there's electricity. Even if you've turned yourself inside out, trying to stay within the limitations of the law. Too many people to count, on a worldwide basis, believe that adult content is obscene and should be outlawed everywhere. One of the problems is that the laws on adult hosting vary considerably from place to place, country to country, city to city, practically household to household. You, as an adult content webmaster, need to make every effort you can to avoid access by minors to material considered obscene, or pornographic. What is considered obscene can differ greatly in every country. Within the context of adult web hosting, 4 main things are deemed obscene, and you would be well advised to avoid them. They are incest, bestiality, child pornography, and rape of any sort. The web is worldwide. Your website must perform with authority rules. So listen to where your site located is physically, wherever your company situated, find out the laws of the property before you produce anything. Another intriguing fact, if you include content to a website that is not always about adult hosting, then or will have many materials. Your website will not be targeted at the moral authorities too much. You can go the regular route and include car-related posts to your website, or you may do something odd like include a few cooking contents. No matter what you decide, mixing up, it is excellent in regards to mature content. More interesting details. All adult websites have to add a warning page. You shouldn't compose this page. Again, don't write your warning page. It is the one time you are going to want to employ a lawyer to be sure all of those it is cross and people it is are dotted. You also need to make sure everybody visiting your website is the suitable age. If you see a site owned by a significant brewing company or alternative of age of website, observe a tiny experience box which asks audiences to enter era details. It is precisely the identical type of era determiner you are going to want to grow your adult site. If you do not figure out the period of every one of your audiences, you may be in trouble. When you place up an adult website, employ a superb content manager to control content. You need to make sure anything posted in your website doesn't cross that child porn lineup. Additionally, you cannot post anything that's deemed obscene in regards to the legislation of society. Do make sure everyone participate in any movie or at any script is old. Finally, look closely at the sort of advertisements your website supports. Sure, advertisements which laced with all sorts of bugs can be rewarding, but you indeed must check out the big image. Is it worth losing plenty of potential website users to acquire some advertising dollars? Probably not. Proceed with advertisements which are not likely to damage systems. In this way, site visitors will trust your articles, and that is an essential thing. I am certain that you have a lot of questions about running an adult website, so ask away. We're here to help you establish up that site, and keep this up without running into some significant defects. Note, this guide has not been composed with an attorney, and can't be taken whatsoever for legal counsel. If it's legal, it's allowed. Adult Web Host 1 is the premier solution for adult website hosting, adult domain registration, adult VPS hosting, adult managed WordPress, and server management. We have everything you need to start your adult website and to build your online web presence. Don't trust your adult website to a regular hosting company. Experience the difference a specialized adult hosting company can make. New adult webmasters are always welcome.